This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 15 Information Hiding. In this module, we will explore the concept of information hiding in Java, which controls access to class members and methods through the use of access modifiers that regulate visibility and accessibility of data. Java provides 4 access modifiers: default, private, protected, and public. Default members can only be accessed within the same class or package, while private members are strictly accessible within the class they are declared in. The default access modifier applies when no specifier is mentioned for a class or method. If classes are in the same file, default access works across them. But if they are in different directories, it results in a compilation error. The public access modifier allows a class or method to be accessible from anywhere, making it the least restrictive. However, declaring a class as public doesn't make its members public if they have default access. The private access modifier is used to ensure that data members and methods are only accessible within the same class, not outside. This promotes encapsulation by preventing public methods from allowing direct access to private data. The protected access modifier allows access to subclasses, whether in the same file or different files and directories. Protected members can be overridden in subclasses, but stricter access modifiers cannot override laxer ones. Java packages are used to group related classes and interfaces, providing a hierarchical structure and helping to avoid naming conflicts. Classes with the same name can coexist if they are in different packages, resolving naming ambiguities. In summary, access modifiers control the visibility of class members and methods, with private data indirectly accessible via public methods. Protected allows subclass access across packages, while the default access is limited to the same package or directory. And public allows global accessibility from anywhere. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.